sign ourselves up for.
As I told you, Ocho Rios means 8 rivers. 1847. Yes, see if you can get it.
Got it.
Yeah. Got it. Shot. Thank you.
Got it?
Got it. What's it called? The England.
Right.
This is called the Anglican Church. The Anglican.
Where is the? See the ackee? That's the national fruit of Jamaica. And it also makes the national dish. When you make ackee and codfish, that's the national dish of Jamaica.
Oh.
And the Taino Indians on the coat of arms were the first guys on the island, not Columbus. And see the Dr. Bird, that's a national bird. The blue maho is the national tree, and the lignum vitae is the national flower.
Oh, he's leaving. Come back.
Leaving us?
Where you going?
Let me go.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, pass it around. Inhale, it's good for the rest.
Oh my goodness, it smells good.
I'm the herbalist, I live for. We're in the parish of St. Anne. And these guys are the national heroes of Jamaica. Yes.
Was he from
Marcus Garvey was born in Jamaica, my sister.
Oh, I did not know this.
See the bananas?
Banana
trees. We export the coffee and the rum.
Okay.
We also export,
He got Mama Wanda.
we export the sugar, all these things, bauxite that makes the aluminium.
Who's it? What's her name?
Now who is this? Big Mama! This is Big Mama!
Big Mama. Oh my
And
goodness.
she works for the Yankee Dog.
Get it, Big
And
Mama.
the shot of her. Big Mama!
Big Mama.
We come to the doctor. We come to Dr. Nature.
That's the nation.
Yeah. Dr. Nature leaves no side effects. Look at your ship down there. Man.
There's our ship.
Here's another flicker guy.
Oh, Lord. Ah.
Make a juice from it. Versatile fruit. Red fruit. Those bamboo wraps, those are what they take you up and down the river. And this river comes from way up in the mountains, the same place where the blue holes says you go along.
There's some chicken and chicken.
Those are wild chicken.
Oh, you can't use those for jerk chicken.
See the fish? Look on the wall, look on the wire there. Straight from the ocean.
Wow.
Oh, that's why he just...
Yeah.
It's nice. Say hi. I hope it's not cold.
What's cold?
No, please, no. Ah, no. It's Chile! And of course I did a little self-promo in Jamaica because when in Jamaica, you know, anybody out here? And then you realize when you're riding in the sand how long your name actually is. I don't know if I officially welcomed you guys to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, but welcome to Ocho Rios, Jamaica. This is our first day here and only day here. We were here for about for a good couple more hours and then we're gonna get back on the ship. But right now we're at one of the free beaches because we were like, we just want to stay as much as possible before we get on the ship, but don't want to spend an extra amount of money. So we have this guy, forgot his name, sorry, who's taking us around. And this is one of the stops here. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just trying to soak up as much as possible. Like, I feel like I've been existing instead of living for so long. And so now it's nice to come live and just take in, like, as I look at the water, I'm just like, wow, God created this and I'm just sitting here just basking in it. But I want you to enjoy it with me.
Break?
Break, and then it's the almond in it. Plus, you got a dog.
This is an almond. Oxtail. Jerk chicken.
Yeah, you see the roots?
Wow.
Yeah. I would be walking. That's a silk cotton tree.
Silk.
Yeah, silk cotton.
Silk cotton
Been
tree.
here for ages.
What fall is this? Yes, still gang strong. Get it, Monica.
Black spot. Don't go to the black spot. You're with the guy, alright?
Oh, they're dangerous. Black stuff is dangerous. We gotta stay in the white. What did we sign ourselves up for? Look at this. Look at this. There you go. Make sure it's tight.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move.
We made it. Oh. We made it. We made it.
Y'all can try some of that jerk chicken too.
Ooh, Mr.
I said I want
James.
white meat. He said, yeah, I got white meat.
And that's curry chicken.
What they don't know is that love is so from head to